Alright, Rick from Gasoline Alley here today, and we're going to show you how to do some Ertl replacement parts. So, got our Ertl trucks, and so often on the Ertl trucks, the windshields are either broken, beat up, cracked, whatever. Interiors a lot of times are decent, but they get dirty or whatever, kind of busted up in there too. Some trucks come with drivers, some do not. But we're just going to replace all that stuff and show you how to do it. So, part numbers that we are going to be working with today is the Ertl windshield is ETP004. The interior part is ETP005. And the little driver dude is ETP027. So we'll kind of show you how first to go about disassembling. Some of these are harder than others, but they all have the steering trucks. I'll flip it over. The straight axle trucks are much easier because the access to this post down here is easier. The steering trucks have the whole steering rig in here, so it's a little bit tougher, but for the video purpose, I'm going to stick to the easier one today. But so basically, take a nice a pick like this. You can work your way underneath that the little spring clip in there, and you basically, I kind of pre-loosened this one just so we didn't have to sit here and watch Rick struggle for half an hour trying to fight the clip. But so basically, just kind of pry it up there. And if you can, at all possible, save that clip. We do have replacements, and I do think I have a fresh one here to put back on, but a lot of times we can reuse that clip. So once the clip is off, then you basically just everything pops up here, pull off the stud first, and then the back of the seat here actually goes into a notch in the truck. So there is the old part, dirty, and some, like I said, this one probably just be clean, and then the windshield is actually notched in there as well. So you just got to kind of force that one a little bit because it pops through. Probably easier maybe to start on the back or the front. No, front here. So you can take your pick and just kind of work it out. If it's broken, you don't even need to be real careful. Just bust it, take it out the rest of the way. But we'll get this one popped out here. Actually, I'm going to break it anyway. So here we go. There, break it there. And then the rest of it should pop out. Why is it fighting me? There it is. This one was stuck. That's what it is. Alright. So there we go. Pop and pull. There we go. Okay. Old window out. New window then. Basically, you just put them all back in the same way you just took it out. Window first. So window goes down in there in the opening. Just press it right down in. Okay. Now on the back, make sure you get the window all the way tight, because what you're going to need to do, when the window's in the truck, you have this little open notch here. That's where the tab for the interior is going to go in. So you got to make sure you have it pushed up all the way, because the seat interior will basically push through that knob from the back end. Turn it back over. Put the driver in the seat first. Like I said, some trucks have the driver, some don't. All of our seats come with the driver opening, so what the hell, put a driver in. It looks better that way anyway. So basically, he just slides down in. And if you notice how Ertl actually made these, they were so cheap because you won't see the driver's side. They didn't even finish his side over here. It's kind of cut out to make sure it goes into the truck. The other side is finished. You can see from the other side. We did an exact replica of the original seat part. So there you go. Put it down in there. And then basically on the seat tab here that I was showing you, that goes into the opening above the window here. So put that down in there first. Get it slid down in, notch it in. And then push the rest of the interior down, up in, and over that stud, down in there. Okay, so there you see he's up in the truck, sitting how he should. And then basically you can just put that clip back on, set it down in there, like that. And what I like to use, I just use like a little nut driver, and that basically will push the clip down and let the stud go up through. So you just basically go down in there with that, push it down in. Clip is on, stud is in, and you've got a brand new Ertl truck with windshield, interior, and driver. Again, we've got the windshield as part number ETP004. The seat is ETP005, and the driver is ETP027. So nice, easy fix replacement of the Ertl Loadstar and Fleetstar trucks.